are in the committee of the whole House, and the bill we are working on this morning is the Sports Amendment Bill, National Assembly Bill number 5 of 2026.
Clause 3.
I propose the question that clause 3 be part of the bill. Chair? Chairman? Honorable Naomi Wako, you are prosecuting on behalf of the chair. Please proceed.
Thank you. Thank you, Chair. Notice is given that Chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Sports and Culture intends to move the amendments. Clause 2, that Clause 2 of the bill be amended by deleting the proposed definition of the term manipulation of a sports competition and substituting, therefore, the following new definition.
Leader, clause 3. Clause 3. So kindly go to clause 3.
Clause 3. Clause 3, that the bill be amended by deleting clause 3 and substituting, therefore, the following new clause. Sorry, Chair.
You may approach the table, Naomi. You may proceed.
Thank you, Chair. I beg to move that clause 3 of the bill be amended as it appears in the order paper. Honorable Speaker, the proposed amendment establishes a two-tier framework for the investigation of manipulation of sports competition by providing for independent investigation by both the Directorate of Criminal Investigation and the relevant sports organization. The committee noted that the manipulation of the sports competition may constitute both a criminal offense and a breach of sporting rules, necessitating separate but concurrent process. Honorable Chair, Constitution rules regulation, Honorable Chair, to ensure the effective enforcement and accountability.
Thank you. Honorable members, I propose the question that clause 3 be amended as proposed by the Honorable Naomi Wako. The Honorable Justice Kemei, member for Sigowet, Soin.
Madam Chair, I do support the amendment, knowing very well, Madam Chair, that we must play clean in sports, that we must be fair, that the competition must be seen to be proper competition. I support the fact that in the event of any manipulation, the investigation should be broadened to include DCI, the sports authorities, and indeed any other investigative organ that we have in this country. Madam Chair, I support. Thank you.
Thank you very much. The Honorable Irene Mayaka, nominated member.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, as the sponsor of this particular bill, I also do support this particular amendment, especially because it gives more insights and boosts the initial bill in terms of ensuring that there's a two-tier investigation process, and also based off on the feedback that the committee received from different stakeholders, in that they feel that this should be pulled away from the people who are within the sports fraternity and moved over to the DCI. So this really helps to make the process to be even better. So I do support the amendments. Thank you.
Thank you. I put the question that clause 3 be amended as proposed by the Honorable Naomi Wako. Will as many as have that opinion say aye? Will as many as have a contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. I now put the question that clause 3 as amended be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye?